Hello. Let's go and do an unboxing to Amazon product. Water
Sprinkler.
automatic. So let's see what's inside the box.
Trying to unbox.
Good luck with that.
I am going to open it. See, Amazon has thought about not having a tool with you. You can actually open it.
Yeah.
It comes in a box with another packet in.
Yeah. So looks like a UPS packaging.
Feels like it's got lots of bits in. So.
Yeah, it has some free.
Yes, it has loose parts in. That's why it's in
Yeah. So you have some freebies.
Oh, you've got
So
pack
you have
attachments.
you have an adapter that you can put to your hose if you don't have an adapter for your hose. And you have a connection.
Two connections actually.
Hello. You have a connection, two connections, so you can make your extension for your thing to work. So let's see the magic.
Magic is coming. You can have this. As you can see here, you connect your pipe.
Yeah.
Here you put your sprinkler.
So let me see what happens here. Okay. So you have to tighten that.
Of course, you have to tighten it, except if you want water running out that part.
Okay.
And then the basic part, it doesn't have instructions in it.
You don't need instructions. You just go and show the.
This is the sprinkler. Throw a little bit away. Just screws on.
And show to them that you can adjust where the water you want to go. I think. Yep.
Yes, you can adjust where you want it to go. High up, lower down, middle, whatever you like. Actually, it does have quite an angle. I'm not sure if you can actually see.
I'm sure they can see. So has a O-ring, two O-rings, and a spinner down there. I believe you just
screw it in.
screw it in. You will see.
Yeah, that's fine.
Let me try. Yeah, I need my both hands to do it. So let's see how easy it is to assemble.
Oops.
Yeah. So you have to tighten it enough. You have to tighten it enough to touch the O-ring on the top. Except you,
Well, if you,
you're gonna have a sour, sweet and sour.
sweet and sour.
But
Having a sour.
we're talking about another type of sour. So
So this is the second box. As you can see, I can't wait.
sit on top. So we have three products. Three.
This one was a hard one to open. That's real.
So let's see what is the second one. So that one is doing a oscillating sprinkling thing.
Being in it sprinkles.
Yeah, as you can see, it's plastic, but we will see the performance. And do you have anything else?
Of course. Got three products this time. What's the third one?
The Okay, so we have spring-loaded sprinkler, if they say it like that. That one that moves like that and turns around by itself. So let's test which one of three. Come
What's
on.
the best?
Let's test which one of the three is gonna win, which is more efficient and which is more practical, and which one has the biggest range. And put some slow motion to see the water splashing.
Let's do prediction. Which one do you believe? This one?
I'm saying that one.
I'm voting for this one.
Okay. So let's see.
Let's go and try.
So after the videos, I think we have a result. I vote for the one that throws water very far away, and it goes left and right, left and right, left and right. So the second one, because the first one was leaking water, so I don't vote with that. It wasn't so good quality. We're talking about products that the amount you pay is 9 quid, each one of them. So you can buy them from everywhere. What do you think?
I vote for the second one. I just like the result of it actually sprinkling water in a big rains. Like,
Yeah, so you like the one that goes isolating left and right, and it gets more garden.
yes, it gets a bigger range of water, and I think that was my favorite. But each of them had their pluses and
Minuses.
minuses. So.
Yeah, I believe you can vote, guys, which one you like. I prefer the long range one. You prefer the more coverage one.
Yeah.
So the first one wasn't a very good one.
Well, the first one didn't go very well because it
No.
was leaking. But
Yeah, it was leaking from the top. So that's all right. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great night. See you guys.
good night.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye.